What's happening, guys? Day 2 with the TIG welder. Got it figured out. Thank you to Eric Hux. He messaged me after he seen the video. He said, man, I know what your problem is. He said, you have the grounds and the positives switched. He said, switch those and I guarantee it'll work. So what I do, I switched them, bam, we're working. We're good now. And Tyler decided to show up today. Didn't leave me out hanging today. So we're gonna get right into these videos. I'm gonna let you guys watch Tyler. He'll explain a little bit of what he's doing. And then I guess it'll be my turn. So we'll see if I do any better than what I did yesterday.
Alright, hey guys, my name is Tyler, Silent J over here. But all through high school, I took welding all 4 years, and straight out of high school, I went down to Tulsa Welding School in Jacksonville, Florida, and completed that program. And so I do know a little bit about what I'm talking about. But today we're going to be running some TIG welding. I'm running about 90 amps, direct current. It's got a foot pedal.
He's at a loss for words. Let's go ahead and set this up so you can watch him weld. What kind of filler rod are you using?
Huh?
What kind of filler rod are you using?
It's a 16th. Can't remember the name of it, honestly.
Just
ER70S.
Cool.
So this is just a butt joint. You just put two pieces of metal together. You just weld the seam of it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but...
Alright guys, Tyler's done welding his butt joint. Let's check it out.
It's not too bad. I'm running about 81 amps. I lied, said 90, but that was a little warm. So I turned it down a little bit. Not too bad for the first one.
There it is, his first practice one with the Everlast Powered TIG 185. How you feel, Tyler?
Well, no.
You feel like you can do better than that?
I do feel like I can do better.
Alright, don't let the people down. Alright guys, my turn. We'll see how I do. This is only the second time I've done this since last night. Is this on?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's loose, so it's on. Just when you hit the foot pedal, it'll turn on.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, my turn. I'm going to go right along the bottom side of Tyler's bead. We'll see if mine even compares to it. Second time, last time was a total fail. Let's see how it works today. Alright guys, the pedal got stuck in the first part of the portion, so I fixed it real quick in the mid. That's where all that is, and then there's the rest. I'm not sure if you can really see it. Tyler's is on the right, mine's on the left. It's my first time. It's Tyler's like 500 millionth time. So there it is.
That makes it look bad, man.
This is mild steel. So I really don't know how well mild steel looks when you weld it.
Stainless is where it's pretty.
Right. So there it is, mild steel. Tomorrow we're gonna do aluminum. We don't have the right rods, and the place that we get the stuff from was closed. So that'll do it for tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. No. Bye. Bye.